Hello guys, the crypto market is going up as of the moment, and another way to earn is having, or I want to show you a website that is going to give you free USDT and you're going to earn a lot. If you want to earn in this website, please click the link below. I'll be posting the link in my description button and you'll be directed to the ENURI99.com. This website is an advertising website. It's not really for crypto mining. It's an advertising website, but with the payment of cryptocurrency. So they are advertising now, and they are really advertising a lot of company, as you can see, Walmart, Amazon, a lot of company products. So why advertising? All you have to do is place a cloud order, and when you place a cloud order, you'll be giving the amount, or you'll be giving a return of your payment with some commission instantly. The good thing about this site is that you can deposit today and withdraw today, or tomorrow, or the next. There is no specific time for your withdrawal, but you should note you will keep earning every single day. So as you can see, in my last video I was about $40, but now I'm up going close to $70. If there's a lot about this website. I made a full tutorial on it and it's down below. You can see a lot of people are earning from commission. They are earning $35, $11, and if you come here, there's a lot of things you can do here. This is for the beginners. You can check the tutorials. You can go also chat their invites up, like you click on online and then you chat them up. If you don't understand, this is the order and this is the home. So I'm going to show you how to complete an order in this video, and I'm going to tell you that this site is really paying. I have made my withdrawal a lot of times from this site. You can see the balance appreciation, the invitation. If you want to invite your friends, you come to you can also earn a lot inviting your friend. I forgot to say that. You come to please do not forget, I told you, look, my commission daily now is $3. That's the amount I'm earning, and as you keep adding, your commission will keep increasing. As you can see, my yesterday I gained $2.95 and today I gained $3. Make sure you invest, or make sure you invest what you can afford to. Risk, do not invest or to change your current lifestyle. If you come to your friend's invitation, all you have to do is copy the link code. If you want to invite, you just go to your friend's invitation and copy the code down below, so you will be invited. This is the account details if you want to get the commission and the other expenses of your account. And if you want to earn, you just come to grab. No much, you come, and this is the Alero, but I'm not using the Alero for now. I'm at the eBay because I'm above $50. So I'll click on automatic grab and there will be a countdown, a successful countdown. And when the countdown happens, I will randomly select, or the site will randomly select a goods to buy. This is just an advertising method, and when it selects the goods to buy, I'll click on submit. As you can see, the total amount ordered is, sorry for that, the total amount ordered is 26.96, but the estimated return will be 27.0. that is about 0.08 cents gain. And when I click on submit, it will be added to my balance, as you can see. And I do that again, I can do 50 orders. From the more you deposit, the more orders you will get. So I deposited from 50, so I can do 50 orders for now, and I'm just finishing my orders. I kept the order show. I can show you guys. I'm just finishing my order for today, and as you can see, my balance is adding, is now 69.91, and if I successfully get okay, now is 69.98. and the more you deposit, if you deposit from $500, you'll be taken to the Walmart service, which gives you 55 orders and increase in commission. And you can earn a lot by inviting your friends. It's shown here in the slide. You get 16% of the order you get 16% of your order commission. Your level 2 you get 8, and your level 3 you get 4%. So this site is really paying as of the moment. If you want to withdraw, you come to withdraw. As you can see, my withdrawal is easy. You need to bind your wallet first of all. I told you my full video is in the description button. Click on it and watch it if you're interested in any. So when you click on the number of withdrawals you can make per day is 1. I told you can withdraw from about $20. That is the minimum you can withdraw, and you wait for let's say 24 hours or 72 hours to get your withdrawal. So for now, I link it to my TRC wallet and my BEP20 wallet. So all I need to do is, if you're new, you set up your transaction password and all that. So that is all for the ENURI earning site. I told you it's paying as of the time I'm making this video. You can use this site to gain more USDT and invest in crypto. Thanks for watching. I told you this is Crypto Cypher. I'm going to bring more crypto earning sites and also more meme coin analysis coming your way. Thanks for watching, and many more greets to your wallet.